Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to export bookmarks from Brave browser Android. So, in order for you to do this, you can just simply go ahead and open up the Brave application into your device. And now, once you are here on the Brave application or browser, you can just simply select the three dots on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, you will just simply go ahead and go for the bookmarks over here. Tap on it. And from here, you will have an option, three dots on the top right corner. And you will have an option to export bookmarks right over here. Tap on it. And you will have the pop up, select allow. And from here, you have successfully exported your bookmark. And pretty much you can open the folder in order for you to see your bookmark. And guys, pretty much you should be able to have your bookmarks data and you should be able to import it into your computer by just simply going to the same settings and instead of selecting export, go for the import and from here just simply select the file of the bookmark that you have over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.